Introducing Swyft, Model 04 sofa bed, designed with practicality, comfort and style in mind.
Ich bin Swiftenheisen.
Step 1. Attach the feet. Du es en Swifte, no? Step 2. Add the backrest to the base.
Swyft.
Step 3 and 4. Slide in the armrests. Step 5. Slide in the seating cushion. To transform our Swyft sofa into a sofa bed, we first need to extend the legs. The seating cushion can easily slide open with the assistance of 2 wheels either side. Remove the mattress topper, which is neatly packaged underneath the seating cushion. The backrest simply folds over to complete your mattress. You are then ready to apply your mattress topper, and voila, your Swyft sofa bed is complete. Now enjoy some hard-earned rest on your comfortable, spacious double sofa bed, in whatever position.